Hi friends, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made musk melon juice. Here I have taken 2 bowls of musk melon cubes and a bowl of ripe mango slices. I add 1 bowl of musk melon and then the mango pieces into a blender, followed by 3 tablespoons of sugar. After that, 3 lychees and 1.5 cup of chilled milk is added and all these are blended well. Since I've added only 1 cup of the musk melon, I blend the rest also and thus the shake is ready. It's so tasty and refreshing too. Do try this and have a relaxing day. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you again in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.